Cascade 700-1000 replacement pads. This 6-pack of Cascade Bio-Floss polyfiber floss pads is specially designed for Cascade 700-1000 canister filters, allowing for simple and easy media replenishment. Don't worry about cutting to size, these pads fit directly into media trays within these Cascade canister filters. Essential mechanical filtration. Bio-Floss helps clear up discolorations and reduce foul odors by physically trapping tiny particles of detritus, such as fish waste, uneaten food, or even decayed aquarium plant materials. This assists with establishing and maintaining healthy, crystal clear water within your tank. Beneficially convenient. Along with being a vehicle for mechanical filtration, Bio-Floss also promotes the colonization of beneficial filtration. This in return, helps regulate ammonia, nitrite, nitrate, and phosphate levels. Great for freshwater and saltwater aquariums. Proficient prolonging. Our polyfiber floss pads help prevent the clogging of finer filter media, allowing for them to perform better at their own tasks, which improves overall filtration. On the other hand, Bio-Floss extends the lifespan of other media and the filter itself. Shop Penn-Plax for all your pet's needs. Penn-Plax is a manufacturer and distributor of top-quality pet supplies, who specialize in creating excellent pet products for animals, both great and small. Top reviews from the United States. Crystal clear water. These are the same thickness as the ones that came with my filter. I am trying to keep my turtle water changes to once a month, so I put one of these in each of my 3 filter baskets in addition to the 2 charcoal packs and 1 bio sponge. I have the Cascade 1000 filter. It has been 1 month since I last changed the filter and my water is still crystal clear with no smell. Since this is the first time I have used 3 of these at once, I am going to wait until the water starts to cloud before I change. It would be nice to get that extra week out of each change to save a little money and time. I will keep you posted.